These videos are a lot of fun to make because once you get it, you get it. You understand how to get traffic, free traffic even, to your affiliate links. Check it out. 30minutemarketing.clicks. Clicks are traffic. Where does the traffic come from? And the key here is once you get it, you get it. Some days are better than others. Where does traffic come from? Facebook. Now, before you jump off this video, understand this video isn't just about me telling you to go to Facebook and make posts. But check this out. This is my Facebook profile. I have a product. I want to let the audience that I've built on my Facebook profile, friends, people that are interested in the things that I say and talk about, just like you watching here on YouTube. You're interested in what I'm saying, hopefully. But check this out. See insights, total insights, post impressions. These are the number of times, or this is the number of times, and Facebook is showing you how to get traffic. Post reach, post engagement. Keep boosting to grow your audience. Now that is their pitch for you to buy traffic from them, which they will gladly sell you. Now, if you want to get traffic from Facebook to your affiliate links, you can buy it, but you can also get it for free. YouTube videos, just like the one you're watching here. Views are traffic. Views are clicks on your affiliate links when you provide helpful, useful information in the form of videos that address a problem that you have the solution for. You get views. Views are traffic. It's free traffic. And yes, you can run YouTube ads as well, but you also get paid on YouTube once you hit a certain level, which means you are creating content and getting paid for it and generating free traffic to your affiliate links. Quora views, upvotes, comments, shares, people checking out the answers that you are providing over at Quora to questions that they're asking or questions that other people have asked that you are providing the answer to. Helpful content is free traffic to your affiliate links if you do it correctly and you do it over a period of time. Blogging is traffic. Blogging is clicks to your YouTube channel. Check this out, coming from YouTube. Direct, meaning that you shared it somewhere or in an email, Google, and then you have Bing, and then you also have Quora. You also have Facebook. You have some stuff down here, bot traffic. That's just part of the game. Learn and understand how this works. And how does this work? It works via the Affiliating Accelerator, via what I call my top strategy, which starts with traffic. And then, of course, the other foundational phases are the offer, which is your affiliate offer, and the people that you're going to be adding to an email list. But understand that you pick a topic to go from zero to profit. It is step one. Pick a topic and continue to talk about that topic that focuses in on the problem and the solution, which is your affiliate link that you want to get traffic to. Then understand in step two that you need certain tools, you need certain technology, you need to understand how they work together. And most importantly, you need to spend the time when you are ready and when you are committed to get to step three, which is creating a consistent and steady flow of high quality content to get traffic over to your affiliate links for free by creating this content that's going to help people. There's the secret. You have it. If you have any questions about how this works, or if you'd like to see more in depth on how I do it, check out the link in the description that covers my top strategy and shows you exactly how I've done it on one marketplace. And again, if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later.